my name is Migs Casimiro, and my favorite ride is Airspace, Air Race, and Anchors Away. Because you can feel the butterflies in your tummy, and the Anchors Away is like, boogs.
Hi, my name is Michaela Brielle, and I really like Twin Spin because when I'm a kid, I always watch Enchanted Kingdom, and my dream to ride is I want to ride Twin Spin. My name is Graciela Elisa Arcilia. So, ang favorite kong i-ride yung Anchors Away and yung Twin Spin. Kasi yung Anchors Away, nafe-feel mo yung sakit pero masaya siya.
Dalawang rides po na-try ko so far, yung Eclipse at saka ito. Pero so far, mas bet ko po ito kasi chill lang siya. As ano kasi, yung sa Eclipse yung na-try ko, parang extreme lang masyado for me. So, yung dito po ngayon, mas relaxing po siya.
Sa akin so far, pinaka-memorable is yung Space Shuttle. So hopefully, same pa din yung experience this time around.
Pinaka-best. So far the best ride for us is yung nagja-drop. Yung Extreme Tower. So, for us, it is the best ride kasi parang biglaan yung baba niya and parang sobrang nakaka-shock siya sa amin. And bago siya sa amin kasi hindi namin siya madalas makita sa province namin. Kaya I think it is the best ride for us. 5, 6, 7, and 1 team, 1 goal for the Alisha. Have fun, feel good for the Alisha. Power, Alisha! Alisha! Power! Ang sarap at ang saya maging Alishado!